Hi guys, welcome to Yard GrowingSA. In today's video, I'll be growing over 1,000 seeds. Let's get into it. Today is the 26th of August. Okay guys, so the seeds what I have over here is dhania, carrots, tomato, radish, basil, turnip, sweet corn, lettuce, mixed chilies, spinach, beetroot and eggplants. So I'm going to plant all of this in here, and in a month's time I'll know the results, what grew and how well it's doing. So let's start planting. Okay guys, so today is the 3rd of September and I can see many have germinated. Over here is the sweet corn, and I think the most of it is the turnip. Okay guys, today is the 5th of September. It's been 10 days since I planted all these seeds. What I can see, what came out so far is a radish over here, and the small ones is turnips, and then got some beetroot over here growing, and then I know I saw one or two sweet corn as well. I'm not really sure what is this yet. So guys, today is the 1st of October. This will be the last update for now until harvest, until I harvest something from here, because nothing yet grew yet that I can harvest. But as you can see, the carrots has made it, the dhania, the corn. So the sweet corn I'm gonna actually take out of here and plant it somewhere else, because I know it's not gonna do anything good here really. And then there's more dhania. Then all this is mostly the turnips and the radish. See here, you can see all the roots. Then over here we still have the beetroot over here. Okay, I know this have nothing to do with this, but yeah, the spinach grew in here, but I don't see any spinach in the box. But I don't see any spinach yet in the box. So thank you guys for watching. Down below I'll link my Instagram if you like to follow me over there. I'll be updating some pictures about my garden and that on like weekly or daily. So thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, consider subscribing, and if you have anything you want to know about anything about gardening, you can comment down below. I'll try my best to help you guys. Backyard out.